Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to unbox another brand new TV for you from Samsung. This time it's the TU8000 model. So we'll open up the box, show you all the accessories that it comes with, and then sort of give our initial first impressions of what this set offers, along with going over some of the menus and things like that for you guys to see. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Here we have all the accessories, and everything looks pretty similar to the TU8000 except for the remote. So we've got all of our paperwork, we've got the Samsung One remote with this one, along with some batteries, a power cord, some cable management clips for those pedestal feet, and the pedestal feet are right next to those. Here we are on the back of the TV, and this is where all the inputs are located. You've got, facing off to the side, 2 USBs and 2 HDMIs along with an antenna cable. Now, one of the HDMIs does have eARC. Now here we are still on the back. You've got another HDMI connection, there's an optical audio output, some composite inputs, as well as an Ethernet hookup. So we've got our initial picture up on the screen here, and it does look really good so far. This is the first model in their lineup that has some form of dimming built in. This particular model has UHD dimming, and it does seem to be making a difference, but we are getting some nice vibrant colors on this one and a nice bright picture. So we'll go into the menus here and kind of show you what it comes preset with. And as we go over to this side, it's the same kind of feel as all the other Samsungs we've looked at this year, nothing that stands out there. So it comes on standard picture mode. You also get natural, movie, and dynamic. We'll leave it on standard for now. Sound mode, TV speaker sound output. There's a game mode built into this one. This does have game enhancer built in. We can turn captions on and off. There's a sleep timer. It says we are connected to the network, and we have some color tones that we can change around. Warm 1, warm 2. Cool, we'll leave that on standard as well. Here's the other one to take a look at when you're first looking at the TV. It's set for auto picture clarity, so same as the other Samsungs we've seen this year. You can turn it to custom or you can turn it off. As I've said in all my other videos, I prefer it turned off, but for the purpose of this one, we'll leave it on auto and let the TV do the thinking for us. And we've got the auto audio format on right now. There's device care, and then you can go into all settings. So pretty straightforward, same menu system that we've seen on all the other Samsung TVs really that we've unboxed this year. But otherwise, a nice, easy layout to go along with a really great picture. So that's our initial impressions of the TU8000. As far as looks go, the overall aesthetic, it looks very similar to the TU7000, so you're not getting much difference there. But as far as picture quality goes, there is a difference in picture quality, so that's something that people are going to be happy with. Again, make sure you stay tuned because we're going to do a full review on this one and kind of dive a little bit deeper to give you guys a little more detail on this. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.